Hey, what's up, guys? It is Monday, April 25th, and I'm going to jump into the pre-market prep video here. Usually we do it live on Mondays, but I got to hit the road, Jack, in a few minutes here. But honestly, guys, I'm not sure. Really, what do we cover here this morning? We got the big flush on Friday, and we basically covered all the bases in the Sunday prep video, which you can find here on the channel. But looking at the futures, the S&P is down about 0.5%. The QQQ futures. Let's take a look there. The Qs are down a little bit less than 1%. The Russell 2000 futures are down, we'll call it 1%. And then the big Dowski here, down about 0.5%. So quite frankly, if you're looking to get short here, and I think based on the sell signals, we've got reasons to want to short the S&P 500, the QQQ. The small caps are a short. I think the Dow Jones is a short, the semiconductors, the financials, big tech, the industrials, the consumer discretionary sector, the transportation sector. It all looks like a short. The key is we don't want to short when we're down here at -2 ATR, and we want to be a little bit careful about shorting when the put-call ratio is up here at 1. Basically means everyone is leaning short. Typically, when everyone's leaning short, you're going to get a bounce. So if we can get a bounce here, there's a handful of spots we're looking to short. So for those of y'all in the mastery, and I'll share it here with y'all today, I just uploaded the watch list to the room drive. And remember, these are all based on the buy signals and the sell signals. So for the buy signals, not too much here, guys. You got natural gas, you have energy, which if you look, we'll look at energy here in a second. That probably comes off of the bullish watch list here today. There's XLP, which is still pretty good, and then you got agriculture. Everything else is a short the bounce. The S&Ps, the Qs, big tech, the financials, the transports, and then we got a few stocks here like Crowd, Race, Best Buy, Nike, and a bit more. So in terms of energy, we're going to open up around $74 this morning. That kind of breaks the structure. It might bounce, but under that weekly AEMA, I think we're coming back down here towards 70. So I might think one idea here for energy could be to try to short a little bounce here with a 75-70 put debit spread for May expiration. And I think it might be an even better idea to look for a trade like that. A short on energy, if you're coming into this week long some long some XLE stocks, like EOG, that pretty much looks like it's going to break down. There's Devon. We've got some Oxy. And if Oxy breaks AEMA here, which at this point it's probably going to, we're going to cut that loose. So in terms of trading around your long positions, there is that type of thinking. It's like, all right, I'm long an energy stock, so let me take my losses here this morning and then potentially try to short energy, or you're trying to be a bit balanced. So we're probably going to take a loss this morning on Oxy, but we're coming into the day, short Nike in the mastery, and then we're short FedEx in the options room. So if these shorts work out, it covers all the loss in the Oxy trade. And then you're waiting for bounces and you're looking to short to get on the right side of the market. So patience here, guys. FedEx does look like a good short. We got negatively stacked DMAs and sell signals. So we're looking for a move down to about 198-ish. I've got a short on Uber, which I think you want to short Uber around 33. So I can't suggest an entry at this point, but I'm looking for a flush down to about 29.80-ish, and then we got the short on Nike. And if Nike opens up this morning around 127.50-ish, I don't think I suggest an entry there either, but we're looking for a flush down to about 124 and change. So if you look at the sectors, right, the semis look like a short, but only on the bounce. The S&P 500, I think we can short this on a bounce, looking for a move down to these recent lows. So realistically, guys, not too much more to cover than that. The indexes, most of the sectors, and even a lot of the sectors that were looking good, they've got some sell signals here. So like the healthcare sector, that was on our bullish watch list, but now we got sell signals. The material sector was on the bullish watch list, and now you got sell signals. So, one by one here, they are dropping like flies, and at this point I would expect energy starts breaking down as well. So as always, things can change quickly, but for those of you in the options room, I got the open here this morning, so I'll see you guys then. We'll manage our open position in Oxy and FedEx, and if we can get any bounces here today, we're looking to put on a few shorts. Kind of digging Best Buy here, but we got 2 hours before the open, so we'll see how it all unfolds. But there you have it, guys. Straight into the point here this morning. As a reminder, we got the webinar coming up this Wednesday, so go on ahead and register if you haven't already. Link in the description, and I'll see you guys later this week.